Ireland is willing to pay you over 4,700 euros to relocate for you to start a new life and work in one of the most respected healthcare systems in Europe. Ireland has launched a new initiative targeting healthcare professionals, mostly from Africa. Whether you're a nurse, healthcare assistant, or support worker, this could be a great opportunity for you to experience the world. The world is a book, and most people are living only in one page. Don't be that person. Explore the world. You get the opportunity to have an international experience, and in addition to that, they are going to pay you for you to relocate for free. In this video, I'll break down what this opportunity is all about, who is qualified to apply, and stand the chance of being selected among the lucky ones. This might be a life-changing opportunity, so do well to stick with me to the end of this video, and I'll take you through everything step by step. Before I take you to my laptop screens, a lot of people have this misconception that before you can get a job in Ireland as a healthcare worker, you need to have the KQI, of which I'll be going deep and telling you more about the KQI, how to get it in Ghana, and how, even if you don't have it, you can still get a job in Ireland. Ireland is an English-speaking country, so if you are from an English-speaking country, that will be a very big advantage for you to navigate your way through the system. They speak English in their education system, in their daily life, and even in their businesses. So if you are from an English-speaking country, that will be a bonus for you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment. Let's move straight to my laptop. I welcome you once again to my laptop, and before we continue, I actually want to show you evidence in respect of what really shows that they are going to give you that 4,700 euros for you to relocate. I know there are a lot of doubting Thomases, but if you're doubting Thomas, I'm going to prove you wrong. I'm going to show you evidence before I continue with anything I want to show you on my laptop. So I'm here on the official website of HCA of Ireland. So as it says here, what allowance are covered by international recruitment relocation package. So if you are moving to Ireland through this opportunity, there is actually a package for you, and this package are going to give you an allowance. So it says that the relocation package provides an allowance towards flight accommodation cost up to the value of 4,600 euros. But remember that this is for EU or UK. So this money is actually for EU or UK. It doesn't mean that if you are coming from Africa or any other part of the world, you don't have a package. You have a package which is higher than people from EU, which is the European Union, or the UK. So it said candidates and 4,710 for non-EU candidates. So if you are not part of the EU or you are not in UK, then you are going to take 4,700 euros to relocate to Ireland. I hope now the doubting Thomas, you guys are okay. I've now shown you the real proof that they're actually going to pay you this money to relocate into their country. Yep, let's continue. So we are now at the job search area. To make the job search much easier for you, do well to filter the right keywords in respect of the particular type of job you are actually looking for. But let's just randomly just check up some of the jobs they have. They have a lot of health care jobs. So as you can see right here, it says senior medical scientist, microbiology. When you scroll down, there's a lot of jobs. It says staff nurse, mental health 2025 graduate only. If you tap on it, you could see some of the requirements they actually want. You could see senior pharmacist part-time, WTE, blah blah blah. You tap on it, you could check in respect of some of the jobs they actually have available. As you can see, there are a whole lot of jobs here, and I advise you filter in the right keywords that will help you find the particular jobs you're actually looking for, because there are a lot of jobs right here. And when you come down here, it talks about county. The county, I advise you not to select a particular county. Just select all, so that it will show you multiple places when you are actually searching for that particular job you are looking for. Over here, they're also asking you the contract type. So for me, I'll say permanent, because you want a permanent work. So you select something like permanent full time, which, in other words, that's full time. You're actually going to work full time, because if you are coming from Africa, you can't come and be working part time. Before we move to the requirement, let's scroll down here. So if you don't have any understanding, or during the application you are a little bit confused, you can call them. That's if you are in Ireland yourself, you can call them through these numbers. But if you are not, you can call them through these numbers right there. This is from outside Ireland, so you can call them through these numbers. If you have any issues, or you are facing any issues, you want to contact them and ask them more questions in respect of that. I also advise you to follow them on their Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. They are all on this platform, where you come to this website, of which I'll be leaving the link in the description. So do well to check the link in the description and tap on it. Follow it. You can also come to this same interface that I am. Follow them on their social media platform for you to get updated of any of their latest news or any latest opportunities on their portal, because there are certain things you might not be coming to the website all the time. Anytime there's a new opportunity, since you're always on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, or wherever, you get notified first. So let's move to the general requirement. You should have a passport. Obviously, I know almost everybody has a passport, and you should prove your identity. You should actually be willing to relocate to Ireland, because they actually want you to come there, and they want you to stay there by giving you a permanent residency that will actually lead you into citizenship. So you should be willing to move there with your family, and during the process, if by the grace of the Most High you have been selected, you will be asked to do medical checks. So everything should show that you are fit, you are healthy for that position. So you'll be doing a medical check. That's one of the requirements. There will be a medical check to see whether you are mentally and physically strong and fit for the work. There will also be a requirement for English proficiency. You have to get your IELTS ready. It's very, very important. Not all employers might require that, but it will boost your chances of getting a job. So if you're a registered nurse, you have your nursing degree or diploma, which is at least a minimum of 3 years, which is very, very important. Apart from these things, you should also have your transcripts. You should have your employment letters. You should be able to show them your working experience, that you actually have the experience and you've worked in sex sector for 3 years, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. You should be able to prove them with evidence. So coming back to the matter of QQI, I see a lot of people saying if you don't have the QQI, you can't actually get a job. So one may ask that what is QQI? QQI actually stands for Quality and Qualifications Ireland. It's a national body that oversees the qualification and education standard in Ireland. It's something that shows that you are qualified to be a healthcare worker or somebody who can actually take care of grown-ups. This is actually for people who are actually doing the healthcare or caregiving jobs. So it is something that if you don't have and you're an international job seeker, you can still get employment. And it is possible to get it whilst you are still an international job seeker in your country. You can take online courses to qualify. You can take a full-time online courses to get certified. There are companies in Ireland that actually offer these services for international job seekers. Those online classes are fully online, and if you take those classes, it will help boost your chances of getting employment in Ireland. You get a vibe. Anyway, which way, all the best and see you on the other side. So now you know, it's not just a rumors. Ireland is opening 8 doors for African healthcare professionals. I made this video for you because opportunities like this changes life for those who take a step. So since you've learned something from it, go and do extra research about it and take a step towards your future. Try your possible best to apply and share this video to somebody it might be beneficial to. Do what to hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll do what to respond respectfully. Turn on the notification bell and subscribe to this channel if you gain value from this video. Anyway, which way, my name is Jakut and this is the Jakut Junction, where we simplify immigration travel into simplicity for you to have a vivid understanding of whatever we are talking about. And as usual, I am out.